folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Had this car here for about a month, getting it reconditioned, ready for sale. The reason I bought this car, a little more to do to it than we usually do, but only 74,000 miles on a 2012. Just needed some cosmetic stuff, some regular maintenance. Turned out to be a really spectacular car. Had one issue that I usually don't deal with, which is a droopy headliner. So we've got an all new headliner in it. We've got a new sunroof shade covered in it. And let me just show you how nice this car turned out. You can see it sitting there running nice and quiet and smooth. The car runs great. We put it through the shop. It's been serviced. We did a 125-point inspection. Did a lube oil filter, new air filter, new cabin air filter. Replaced the gas cap. Got new front brakes, new rear brakes. 4 new tires mounted and balanced. Replaced the master power window switch on the driver's door. And we replaced the driver's door actuator. Took a couple door dings out of it with paintless dent repair. And this front cover was faded right here. So we refinished this front nose piece. But wow, what a nice car. Refinished and polished the headlights. There's your new tires. A couple of the wheels had curb rash on them, so we fixed those. And it's just turned out to be a really beautiful car. It's got window tint already all the way around it. Interior is super nice. The headliner, it's really hard to find people that want to recover headliners anymore. But we got it done. It was out for a couple weeks. And you can see it's brand new, so that'll outlast the car at this point. You shouldn't have any further issues. But all these Volvos, when they get 12, 13, 14 years old, it seems like the headliner starts drooping in them. So we've taken care of that for you and got you a beautiful 74,000 mile car, fully serviced, ready to go. Car really drives nice. Walk around and let you take a look at it. We sell our extended warranties at our cost, so you won't have any issues with that. We have financing for good and bad credit. Fill out an app on our website and we'll get to work for you and see what can be done. But low rate financing for great credit, mediocre rate financing for mediocre credit. Memory seating, leather wrap wheel, really nice car, guys. You can get me anytime on my cell phone, Mike Stout, at 404-867-5028. Fully serviced for $8,998. I think that's a lot of car for the money. Give me a call anytime. Appreciate you guys shopping. Have a great day.